So to set the alarms, you hold down the alarm, you hold it down. So that says PM, so we're gonna go 6 a.m. And that's 6 a.m. for the first alarm. And then the second alarm, we'll do 6:05. We'll do 6:10. It's got alarm 1, alarm 2, the time, alarm ring setting, time alarm, and volume. So double click the button, which is that little button that looks like a clock, and switch it between 12-hour system and 24 hours. So we'll do one that looks like a clock, press it down, it says double click. Okay, so then we'll go okay, it's 3:12 p.m. How to set the alarm. So in the alarm system, you just hold down alarm 1 and alarm 2. How to turn off and on, how to turn on and off the night light. This button turns it on and off. Long press it to adjust the brightness of the light. Oh, it gets brighter. Okay, double click it and enter the exit nightlight voice activated mode when you double click the top button. The nightlight will flash once, indicating that the nightlight voice activated mode is on. So it says double click it, enter exit nightlight voice activated. Hello? Oh! It's voice activated. So cool. It's 70 degrees in here. Hey! Oh, how cute. It turns on when you tap it. And so I already charged it, and so it should be charged for a while. I think it says when the level's below 10%, it'll flash. Hello. Look at that. It's so cute. And these are soft.